Hello students, in this video we are going to solve a nice exponential problem. Here we have 3 to the power x power 3 and divide by 81 power x, this is equals to 27. Here we need to calculate all possible values of x and x belongs to real number. Look carefully, in left hand side we have 3 power x power 3 and divide by 81 is same as 3 power 4 bracket power x and this is equals to 27 is same as 3 power 3. Now in left hand side 3 power x power 3 and divide by, in denominator part if we apply this rule which is a power m bracket power n, this is equals to a power m times n. If we apply this rule, then 3 power 4 bracket power x, this is equals to 3 power 4 times x. So here 3 power 4 times x and this is equals to 3 power 3. Now 3 power x power 3 divided by 3 power 4 times x, this is equals to 3 power 3. In left hand side if we apply this rule which is a power m divided by a power n, this is equals to a power m minus n. Then this is 3 power x power 3 minus 4 times x and this is equals to 3 power 3. Now if we compare both sides, base is same, so it means power also same. So here we can conclude x power 3 minus 4 times x and this is equals to 3. Now if we take all the expression in same side, then x power 3 minus 4 times x and minus 3, this is equals to 0. This is a cubic equation in terms of x. Here x power 3 minus 4 times x minus 3 and this is equals to 0. X power 3, if we add x power 2 and subtract x power 2, and here this minus 4 times x is same as minus x plus minus 3 times x and then minus 3, this is equals to 0. Look carefully, these two terms and these two terms and these two terms. Here if we take common x power 2 and x power 3 divided by x power 2, then you will get x plus x power 2 divided by x power 2, then you will get 1. Here if we take common minus x and minus x power 2 divided by minus x, then here x and minus x divided by minus x, then you will get plus 1. Here if we take common minus 3 and minus 3 times x divided by minus 3, then here x and minus 3 divided by minus 3, then you will get here plus 1 and this is equals to 0. Now x plus 1 and this x plus 1 and this x plus 1 is common. So if we take x plus 1 is common, then here x square minus x minus 3 and this is equals to 0. Now if we apply this rule which is if a into b, this is equals to 0, this implies a is equals to 0 or b is equals to 0. Then this x plus 1 is a, x square minus x minus 3 is b. So here x plus 1, this is equals to 0 or x square minus x minus 3, this is equals to 0. Then here value of x is equals to minus 1, or this is a quadratic equation and here we will talk about only real solutions. So first we will check discriminant of this quadratic. Here quadratic equation is x square minus x minus 3, this is equals to 0. Value of a is equals to 1 and value of b is equals to minus 1 and value of c is equals to minus 3. And discriminant formula is d is equals to b square minus 4 times ac. So b here d and b is minus 1 square minus 4. Value of a is 1 and value of c is minus 3. Then minus 1 square is 1 minus 4 times minus 3 is 12. Then value of d is equals to 30. Here real solutions exist. And we know that quadratic formula. X is equals to minus b plus minus square root of d and divided by 2 times a, where d is discriminant of this quadratic. So x is equals to minus b is replaced by minus 1 plus minus square root of value of d is 30 and divided by 2 times value of a is 1. So x is equals to 1 plus minus square root of 13 and divided by 2. So we have here first solution is x is equals to minus 1. First solution x1 this is equals to minus 1, and second solution x2 this is equals to 1, and if we take positive sign square root of 13 divided by 2, and third solution x3 this is equals to 1 minus square root of 13 divided by 2. We have 3 real solutions in this equation. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.